Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting T5/T6 Torx bits, a Phillips #00, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a small tray for screws. Once ready, power the Crusher Evo off and remove each ear cushion by pulling evenly around the seam to expose the bezel. Next, use the spudger to lift the thin band covers. There are hidden screws under the cushions and the headband pad. Remove them now. This gives you access to the ear cup shells, so you can begin separating the housing halves without stressing internal wiring. Once the shells are loose, use the spudger to work around the seam and separate the ear cup halves slowly to avoid snapping plastic clips. You will see ribbon cables and small connectors. Label each with tape before disconnecting so reassembly is straightforward. Remove the battery by unplugging its connector. Set it aside safely. Unscrew the driver mounting plate, lift the driver assembly out, and note wire routing and solder points. Take photos if needed. They help explain why each cable and screw belongs where it does. To finish, reconnect the labeled cables and reseat each driver in its mount, aligning wire routing as before, then replace screws in the original order. Reinstall the battery connector and snap the ear cup shells together until all clips engage. Press headband covers back in place and reinstall cushions. Power on and test audio, Bluetooth, and the bass motor. If a channel is dead or bass absent, make sure connectors are fully seated and solder joints intact. Reflow or tighten a loose.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.